We're here today to walk through Caterpillar's new Pave Start Assistant, so I'm going to select that there. And we want to set up a new profile, so I'm going to select the profiles. And to create a new profile, you actually select Save Profile. If I was paving along and I liked how everything was going, I could use the current settings, but I'm going to use the assistant and walk through those steps so that we see how that goes. I'm going to select the correct temperature from my material, which is 230F today. And I'm going to select the standard position of the bolts that are in my toe arm and drop arm. That's the normal position unless you're doing a lot of deep depth paving. I'm going to select my mat thickness, and today we're going for 4 inches. That's going to set my auger height and also my toe point position. So okay there. If I want to go 16 feet wide, I'm going to select 36 inches on each side. That'll put me in the middle of my paving. And 36. Keep it balanced on each side. Hit OK. And I'm going to put in 1% slope on each side. Hit OK. And crown also, I'm going to put in 1%. We recommend about 1/4 inch of extension height so that I run at the proper angle of attack on the screed, so okay. I'm going to shoot for 25 feet a minute paving speed. Hit OK. Vibe speed, I'm going to select 1500 RPM. My conveyor material height, I like 40% to start out with. We can adjust it as we get going if we need to, and 60% on my auger height is also a good starting position, so I'm going to select that. The one feature I like here is the lower lock. That's going to keep my screed from dropping when I come to a stop. Hit OK. I'm going to turn my pressures down to as close to 0 as I can, but it will not use those pressures unless the tractor operator turns them on. And I'm going to create a new profile today. That's going to be Highway 8. And now I can go select the profile, and I'm going to come down to Highway 8. Hit OK. You can see it's got my auger height set at 6 inches, 2 inches above the mat. It's got my toe point height set at 1 inch, which is the correct for a 4-inch depth mat. Everything else is set up just the way I want it, so I hit OK. You can see my thickness screws are in the green zone, so again, that's the correct position. Hit OK. When I hit OK the next time, everything's going to start to move. It's here I'm acknowledging that, and now I'm going to hit OK, and away we go.